Welcome to this relaxed moment. Find a suitable place and a space to lie down and be calm. Make sure won't be interruptions. Switch off your smartphones and take a time for you as a sacred moment when you find peace and can be calm, leaving your body completely delivered to this moment in silence. I recommend you to use a blanket to keep you warm through the practice. Also a cushion under your knees to make sure your back is completely relaxed. Also, I recommend you to using an eye mask to gently close your eyes and leave them in total darkness. Get comfortable in this position. Leave a space between your arms and your body and between both legs. Move the pose a little until you adjust what you need to stay in harmony during the practice. Take 3 breaths, inhaling through the nose and exhaling through the mouth. Once you finish those 3 breaths, let your body breathe naturally through the nose without intervening in the breath. Let it be as it is. Begin by drawing attention to the feet, letting them fall to the side. Feel the feet fall relaxed, releasing tension from the soles of the feet, the toes, and the back of the feet. This sensation already entered to your body through the feet and continues up through your calves, enveloping your knees in a sensation of softness. Your thighs relax and continue to move this sensation up your hips, involving and relaxing all the muscles of the pelvic floor. Feel the swing of the breath as it arises naturally as your body progressively relaxes. Drive your attention to your abdomen. Relax it completely while you are allowing your organs to rest. Your body is falling towards the ground. Each time feels heavier, loose, releasing all the tension that you find in your path. Sensation continues up through your spine, from the base, relaxing muscles, nerves, bones of your entire back. Your chest, Breasts are open, lungs, heart, and the rest of the organs of this area are completely relaxed, loose, very loose, increasingly heavy and relaxed. Your arms, hands, palms, and fingers fall to the ground smoothly, relaxed. This sensation that now floods your body rises through the neck and throat, relaxing the neck and reaching the face and head. Take a slow, deep breath through your nose and release slowly and deep the air through your mouth, allowing your body to rest even more in the ground, conscious and relaxed. Now relax the mandible, leave it slightly open with the tongue resting on the palate, and begin to relax facial muscles and nerves, lips, nose, cheeks, cheekbones, eyes, eyelids, eyebrows, the point between the eyebrows, the forehead, feeling fresh and clear. Relax the temples, even the ears and the hair. Relax, accompanying the rest of the body in this state of relaxation. The head rests on the ground, free of tension, maintaining a gentle attention at this time, at this moment, without demands. In this restorative pose, you balance the energy and vibration frequency of your cells. Rest and allow yourself to be silent for a few moments in this position. Feel the sway of the breath like a wave that arises naturally. Perceive your body free of control, your mind calm and relaxed. Floating in this state, you feel good, enjoying it. Get to be in this position for a few moments more. Now, begin to intervene in the breath, making it again present and deep. Inhale through your nose and exhale through your mouth 3 times. At the same time, you are awakening your body and your mind to this moment again. Start moving the toes, rotate your ankles, move the fingers of the hands, move softly, bend your knees, feel your back, your hips, awaken your body, stretch a little bit, wrap your hands and pass it through your face. Take off the eye mask and put it in your one side pose. Stay for a bit here. Exhaling. Slowly sit on the cushion in a comfortable position. Inhale deeply, massaging your hair, your head. Move a little bit to pose. Stay for a while. Wrap your hands. Inhale, warm. Again, wrap your hands. Inhale your energy. Restorative. Massaging your body. And one more. Inhale your deeply. It is perfect. Feel thankful to this moment for you. Namaste.